What to expect on your first automatic driving lesson. At the start of your lesson, you will be picked up at the address you provided. Please remember to bring your provisional driving license as it will need to be checked. It's important to wear suitable shoes. If you have never driven before, don't worry. You'll be driven to a quiet road before getting into the driving seat. You'll start nice and simple and start with a few of the basics. Your first driving lesson is normally always what they call a controls and moving off and stopping lesson. It's quite basic, so don't worry. Learn about the steering, the brake and accelerator, and setting the mirrors. Next is the exciting bit. You'll start to learn how to move off safely, and of course, how to stop again. Practice driving in a straight line and positioning the vehicle. At any point during your automatic driving lessons, if you have any questions, please make sure you ask. There is no such thing as a silly question, just ask away.